Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mandy. Thank you so much for being here. Today we are going to be unboxing our Allure box, and this is for January 2020. Super happy to see what's in this. I just did a giveaway for my recreation of the Anastasia box that was for December, and just sent that out. So congratulations, Danielle, on that one more time. Allure is a $15 a month box, and it kills it every single month. I love it. It is a good bang for your buck. So without further ado, oh, I forgot my intro. Thank you guys. If you are new, thank you for being here. Welcome, and we appreciate you being here. Sorry about that. So I got excited about the Allure box. Let's go ahead and get into it, you guys. So this is what it looks like when you open it. Always has a beautiful person on this pamphlet. And then it's always wrapped in tissue. Not seen any spoilers on this. Super excited for it. And then this is what it looks like when you look at the pamphlet. I'm not sure who that is. I don't know. All right, so I'm not going to look in there though because it does spoil it. So let's go ahead and get started. I do have lip gloss on. I did my video for Sephora, which I hated the setup, so I went back to my other setup with my small little table, but it's a lot closer, But anyway, if I have lipstick on my teeth or I get lipstick on my teeth, it's because I put on a gloss, and normally I don't do that. Not for videos, because I've learned my lesson. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into it. Oh, there's quite a bit of stuff in this box. Most of the time, January, I've noticed, has been a skincare heavy month. New you know, they want you to take care of yourself. So it looks like there's a lot of skincare in here, but I don't mind at all because I love skincare. I'm kind of a skincare junkie now. All right, so the first thing is, see, because now I have to look for this in the bag, or I mean in here, and then I'm going to see what else is in here. So that does kind of ruin it for me. Okay, so here we go. So this is Perfect Shine Oil Mist, Color and Heat Protectant, paraben-free, Nature Lab, Tokyo. I think I've had, maybe it was their shampoos that they sent us. Nature Lab Perfect Shine Oil Mist. Now these are little descriptions from people that work at, I guess, with Allure or whatever. It says, I went blonde last summer and it made my hair dry, and it's drier than it's ever been. And while the bleach has mostly grown out, the shine never really came back. I was hoping for some magic from the serum and its buzzy ingredient list, which is grape stem cells hyaluronic acid. The first time around, I followed the directions, lightly mist on dry hair for mirror-like shine that made my hair a little greasy though, so I decided to go off script. I spritzed the silicone and oil formula on my hands and worked it into my hair from the ends up, stopping halfway to my roots. That did the trick. Mirror-like shine achieved. Price for full size is $16. So that's a good hint, because oil and me, they don't get along either. So I don't know if I'll use this because I'm scared of oil, but with her tip, I don't know. We'll see. But it's not a bad product. All right, moving on to the next thing that I see and I love, and I'm pretty sure I got a bunch of samples of this when I was doing my ordering a lot of Sephora, and I poured it out into a little dish so that I have it because I love this stuff. And this is the Exfoliate Kate from Kate Somerville. Let me get to the little description of it. I love this stuff. I've been using this for a couple years now. Kate Somerville Exfoliate Kate. This cultish exfoliator arrived on my radar about 3 years ago. That's about same for me. When I stumbled on a YouTube video about it. I stumbled on it at work when I worked at QVC. Just a few days later, I found one in the office and have been a fan of it ever since. So you know what? I'm sorry. I'm like side note here. It's probably been like 5 years because I've been out of QVC for 3 at least. So, where am I at? Just a few days later, I found one in the office and I have been a fan of it ever since. The grainy paste works as a mask, a scrub, and a peel all in the same dang time. I've never seen it work as a peel, so I'm not sure about that. In addition to superfine granules, the away dead skin, it contains lactic acid, which acts as a chemical exfoliant. I like to use Exfoliate Kate when my face is in need of some help, usually once a week. And the tingle is real. It is. If you have had particularly sensitive skin, tread lightly before you know how it will react. It's especially wonderful at keeping my skin smooth and calm in the face of a breakout. And the scent, it smells more like a herbal remedy shop than a pricey skincare product. It's not cheap. $175 for a 5-ounce bottle, $75 for 1.7 ounces. But did I mention the gorgeous glow you get? So there's your prices. You can get this Sephora and other places, QVC. This is a nice little sample though. Definitely love this stuff. If you have not tried it, please try it. Yeah, so that's not a bad sample. What's in here? It is 7.5 milliliters, 0.25 fluid ounces. Are you sealed? Are you sealed? You are. Good job, Allure. All right, so not mad at that. Told you it was going to be skincare-ish heavy. Another product that I have used when I worked at QVC. Not mad at this. I've used it, I think, or maybe not, because this says water cream. So I don't know if I've used the water cream. No, because I don't. The one that I used was not water cream. Keep repeating myself. Okay, so Philosophy Renewed Hope in a Jar water cream. How many times can I say that? Never have I ever been so confused when opening a skincare product. You see this moisturizer upon first glance look more or less like blueberry sorbet. I can't talk. Where are we at? Wait, I'll back it up. After a sweaty berries boot camp class, I washed my face using the communal cleanser in the locker room. Then grabbed this Philosophy water cream. I paused, then I saw the blueberry sorbet situation, but this wasn't the time or place for a deeper investigation. So as I would with any moisturizer, I scooped out a dollop and patted it on my face. Immediately it melted from a fluffy whip to a watery fluid. A few moments later, my skin was plumper, dewier, and more hydrated. The cream felt so good, I went back for more and slathered it down my neck onto my chest. I would have kept applying, but I had to get dressed for work. Valued at $39 for a full size. I do like Philosophy products. I use them from here, here and there. I like the Purity cleanser a lot. I still keep that in my shower for hard to get off makeup. This is a little itty bitty sample, but I definitely will try it. Are you sealed? Let's see. No, you're not. So let's see if the lights will show me how much is actually. It's a pretty thick jar. I can't really tell, but 0.23 fluid ounces. Oh, it's enough to try it. Definitely give it a shot. Skincare heavy. Here we go. Another skincare product. This I've never heard of. It looks like it's probably expensive. Where are you at in my pamphlet? Okay. Yeah, it definitely looks, oh, I guess it's not too expensive. All right, so we have this, which is Vitabird C12 Dual Drop Serum. All I want in my beauty life is glowing, dewy skin, so I kept 2 ingredients in heavy rotation, vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. This serum conveniently has both. 2 weeks in, I'm in love. My skin is brighter, smoother, and thoroughly moisturized, but best of all, I noticed a significant change in its texture. The vitamin C and peptides help promote new collagen, while the hyaluronic acid keeps moisture sealed in. A full price is $62. So, let's see what it looks like. On the picture, it's yellow, so let's see. Oh, okay. Not what I expected. Definitely an oil situation. And a glass jar. It smells herbally, but there's quite a bit in here. It's hard to see with the lights. So it is 0.34 fluid ounces. Definitely give that a shot. These descriptions, sometimes I like them, sometimes I don't, because they just It's too much sometimes. All right, next product. It looks like another skincare product. And never heard of this brand. A car? I don't know. A car. Let me know if I'm saying that right. Skin Pure Lip Restoration. Okay, so it's a lip product. I have my own personal weather girl. What? I have my own personal weather girl. Okay. Her name is Eczema. Okay, now I see. See, this is why the stories sometimes I don't know. And she tells me exactly what I can expect from the forecast. If humidity is low, I'll get itchy hands alert. Frigid temperature, dry patches ahead. Wind from the north, I'll know with chapped lips it hurts to laugh. For me, a balm needs to be multi-purpose. I use them constantly everywhere. A Car Skin Pure Lip Restoration is one of the few that actually has made it to my purse status because it reliably smooths my cracked lips without feeling like a thick ointment. Almond and castor seed oil are the main hydrating ingredients, while beeswax locks in moisture, and its light citrus smell comes from orange peel oil packed with antioxidants. I dab it on rough patches all day, but always reach for it as a lip balm first thing in the morning. By the time I decide what lip color I'm going to wear that day, it's fully absorbed, leaving a nice, smooth base behind. Full size, $30. That's, sounds nice. Definitely sounds nice. I have a lot of lip balms, so I don't know that I'll use this. That is what it looks like, a little metal container. It doesn't like to open. I don't see much of a smell to it. So I'm not, like I said, I'm not going to touch it because I have quite a bit of lip balms. I don't know that I'll use this, but not knocking the product again. And it looks like we have one more product in the box, and it is the biggest. Whoa! And it's from Tarte? What? Okay. Now this is a mascara, so they better do better than that Big Ego mascara, because let me tell you, that stuff was dry. Oh, okay. I've used this. So this is, oh, wait a minute, no. Okay, so you could have either got the Tarte's Light Camera Lashes Mascara or the Tarte Gifted Amazonian Clay Smart Mascara. And I've got the Amazonian Clay. So, and it is in black. That's cool, so I get to try a new one. Do I want to try this right away? I don't know, I have so many mascaras opened up, but I need to go through and get rid of the dry ones. This is, it's like all their Amazonian, like, wood themed stuff. It's kind of nice, though. I kind of like it. All right. So, it says, and that is the wand, just so you guys can see. So, because I'm probably not going to open it yet. And then there's your other choice there. I like how it's got the design, too. Tarte Gifted Amazonian Clay Smart Mascara. I have long lashes, so when I want low-key length, this mascara delivers on all fronts. It coats and lengthens lashes without making them droop. One easy coat in, and I saw a difference. If you're experiencing a mascara that aggressively volumizes your eyelashes, look elsewhere. This guy gives lash length and just a bit of volume, which is exactly right for me. And I dig the wooden tube too. And this is full size, and it is $23. So for a $15 box, you've got a $23 mascara and then some beautiful skincare products to try. Love it. So let's recap. We have our mascara. We have a lip balm. We have a hair protectant. We have this serum, which is a vitamin C12 serum. We have Awesome Exfoliate Kate, and we have Philosophy, a new product that I've not tried. So for $15, you guys, are you crazy? I mean, you have to, if you need a box and you're trying to not spend a lot of money, this might be where it's at. And if you want higher end products, obviously there's the Target boxes, which I'm getting ready to film, that are a lot cheaper, but they generally don't have higher end products in there. But amazing, you guys, amazing. Let me know if you guys do get the Allure box and what you guys got, if you got the same mascara as me, and if you've tried it, because I'm kind of curious. I don't know. Other than that, I think that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me a comment, because it truly, truly helps you guys. I need as much, interaction that I can get out there so that we can grow. And I'd like to do a giveaway at 300, and we're almost there. So Thank you guys so much for being here. I will see you in the next one. Have a fantastic day, you guys. Bye.